What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here. So it's been a while since I posted a video, but I have a couple of things in the works. And talking about works, I went ahead and purchased this WORX Axis. So this is a 2-in-1 tool. It has a reciprocating saw as well as a jigsaw built into one single tool, with an axis that allows you to swivel out that joint, and you can either turn it into a jigsaw or a reciprocating saw depending on your needs. So I bought this because of a project I'm doing, and I will be sharing that project with you guys. I'll be posting it up here in the corner once it's done. So if you are viewing this video and you want to see how this works and how the utilization goes for it, you know, how it cuts and whatnot, you guys can watch that video and see how it is. In this video, I'll only be doing an unboxing of this product just because I will be showing you guys it in use in that next video. So without further ado, let's just take a quick look around the box and we'll get straight into everything that comes inside. So here on the front of the box, you can see it has the brand name WORX right there, has the Axis because that is the model of this. This is the 20-volt max lithium system, so it has 20-volt battery in there, so that's super powerful. I do think these batteries are only 1.5 amps though, so it might not last as long as a typical 2.0 battery or higher, but it will still get the job done. This does cut all types of materials as a normal jigsaw or reciprocating saw would. So it does also feature 4 blades that it comes with, WORX blades, comes with a nice reciprocating saw blade, and it comes with 3 jigsaw blades. These jigsaw blades are T-shanked, so you can use any other T-shank blades that you already currently have. Here it just shows a couple of pictures of it cutting different materials in the different modes. So you have it using the reciprocating saw to cut a piece of wood. You have it cutting more timber with the reciprocating saw, cutting either a PVC or a metal pipe with that reciprocating saw again, and then using the jigsaw. You do get a 3-year limited warranty on this product, which is pretty good. And hopefully, you know, if anything does happen, that will work out in your favor. It does have pendulum action because this is a two-mode jigsaw reciprocating saw. You can either use it as a straight cut or with the oscillating feature. Coming over to the side, it shows you some more pictures of the jigsaw in use and gives you that nice image of how it looks with that jigsaw. If we go over to the other side, it gives you a nice image of the reciprocating saw and it being utilized as one. If you come over to the back of the box, you do get some more in-depth information about this product, like that it's 2-in-1, it's compatible with all types of reciprocating saw blades and T-shank jigsaw blades. It does have a built-in dust blower, so that's nice. It keeps your work area nice and clean and you can see where you're cutting. And then it's a toolless replacement, which means all you do is pivot out the little joint and you can insert a new bit into there, or a new blade into there. And then it tells you all the voltages, the jigsaw mode, what it can cut, wood, PVC pipe, and steel. The reciprocating saw mode, which can cut wood, PVC, and steel pipe, PVC pipe, and steel pipe. And then it gives you the tool weight. Everything is listed here on this side. Tells you the voltage, tells you the no load speed, tells you the cutting capacity, the stroke length, which is 3/4 of an inch. And for the jigsaw mode, it also gives you those specifications. The cutting capacity is 2 inches, 50 millimeters. The jigsaw mode has the 2-inch cutting capacity as well. And I believe that's just with these blades that they give you inside the box. If you do have other blades, you can also, swap those out for longer blades or what the case may be, and you'll have more cutting capacity. So it also comes with the 20-volt max battery. In this case, it does have a set that is just the tool only. It's much cheaper, but you don't get the battery. And you also get the charger with this set as well. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see everything that comes inside the box. So to open this up, all it has is 2 pieces of tape attached on the back. You'll just go ahead and cut those off, and then you have a tab that you pull down. Once you open that up, you'll get a couple flaps, and once you open up the flaps, you can start to see the tool in there. So the first thing we'll pull out is that tool itself. This is the WORX Axis 2-in-1 right here. It has a nice weight to it. It feels nice and hefty. It has a very wide motor piece here, and that's just because of the axis piece, and the motor's built in right here. Then you have that switch there to switch this from the straight cut mode to the oscillating mode, and it's a nice switch that it features. Here in the front you can also see the quick release blade point, and let's just try to get that focused in a little bit. So all you need to do to switch out the blades is just twist this to the side, and you can just easily swap blades like that. Coming around to the other side, you'll see that it does say power shear, because this is in the power share family, which means you can use the same battery for all the WORX tools. Has a locking piece here, so you'll need to press that before you can pull the trigger, and then you can pull and release the trigger like that. Has the same thing on the other side, so whichever hand you're using this on, you'll have the ease of unlocking it to start using it. On the back you can see the battery holder, the battery placement right here. And on the bottom you have a nice smooth metal finish here. So once you're cutting on anything, it won't damage the material and you won't have to do much sanding. So that's pretty much it for this. This is the pivoting function, so you'll just need to press and hold this and you can pull it out like that. And this is how it looks in the reciprocating saw mode. So it's a nice little joint that it has there. It feels pretty hefty, and it does clip in place very well once you do pivot it out to any direction, whether it be the reciprocating saw mode or the jigsaw mode. So I do like that. The next thing that we get in the box is the instruction manual and the user manual. It also does come with some blades here. So we just move this out a little bit. You can see the reciprocating saw blade is right here. You get 2 metal blades and you get a wood cutting blade for the jigsaw. These are all T-shanked, and if you do have T-shank blades, you can use those as well. I do have this set of the Bosch wood and metal jigsaw T-shank blades, so I could also use these if I wanted to save these WORX blades for something else, or if I wanted to do more intricate and clean cuts, I would just use this. And that fits all T-shank systems. So that's it for that little baggie. Then we also do get another little box in here. Once we open up that box, we do get the charger for the battery for this system, and it's a nice little handheld charger. It's nothing beefy like one you get with one of those big power tools like a Makita or a Milwaukee, but it is nice. It's compact, and you can pretty much take this anywhere to charge up your battery. And the next thing we get is the battery itself. It's the 20 volt max power module. So this is a WORX specific battery, and that's how the battery looks. And once we go ahead and put the battery in the jigsaw itself, it does clip in very well, and it does go ahead and even out the weight a little bit more. And I'm sure if you were to get a bigger power share battery from the WORX family, you would even out this weight a little bit more, and you get more run time out of the product. So you guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing of the WORX Axis 20 volt max system. I do really like this jigsaw reciprocating saw combo. I think it will be very useful, and in any situation when you want to bring it around, you do have the functionality of 2 tools in one. So that's always awesome to have. I do like having those options. Alright you guys, so that's about it for this unboxing of the WORX Axis. I really want to thank you all for watching this unboxing. I know it's not a new tool, but it is new to me, and since I'm going to be using it, I said why not make an unboxing video for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button down below, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like the content that you see. And also, with everything going on these days, I hope you guys all stay well, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll see you guys next time.